What's up with y'all boys, bro? So it's day 78. It's day 78. It's Saturday. Happy Saturday, bro. Happy Saturday, bro. So hey, I just finished watching the Sidemen charity match. I mean, I'd say it was pretty decent. It was pretty decent. Like I said, like I was looking forward to watching Speed play, but Speed was busy or something. But it was still pretty decent. Still pretty decent. Yeah. Anyway, so we're gonna try solving this one. Bell palindrome 2. This was from the neat code 250. This was from the neat code 250. And yeah, we're gonna use JavaScript for it. So what I was thinking is, we're gonna have the two skip, and then um while L less than equal to R, if L equals to skip continue, else if R equals to skip L plus plus continue, else if R equals to skip R minus minus continue, else we're gonna do L plus plus and R minus minus. So basically, we're gonna see if L greater than R, we're gonna return true. If L doesn't equal R, break. Doesn't equal, actually no. So if S of L does not equal S of R, we're gonna break. And if L greater than R, we're gonna return true. Else we're gonna do 2 skip minus minus. And then here we're gonna return false. Let's see if this does something. Okay. Damn, does it pass all of them? I think there's gonna be some that don't pass. Okay, time limit exceeded. Time limit exceeded. Okay, so time limit exceeded. Um. mm, 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 mm. How do I make this like? Mm, to be honest, I have no idea how to optimize this. As long as it's 10 to the fifth. That's what 100,000. Mm, time limit exceeded. Okay, I've gotten this before. Gotten this before. Time limit exceeded. This is like very long, like so long. Mm, to skip. Hmm. Oh, this is bad. Um. Mm, 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 Hmm. Okay, bro. I'm gonna look at a solution. Get a JavaScript solution to pointer approach. It's 90%. Um. Hold up, bro. How do I upvote? Type complexity is, yeah, this is like O n, this is like n squared, right? Palindrome, which is the same forward and backward. If we're allowed to delete at most one character, we can use 2 points from the start and end of the string. Whenever characters match, we move forward at the end of the first miss. The first miss, we have the option to skip either the left or the right character to try form a palindrome. Press the pointers. Well, left is not right. Move left, press F. If left s of left does not equal s of right, check if skipping left. Check if skipping left or right results in a palindrome using a helper function. Alright, if either skip words to normal mismatch the curve return true, otherwise return false. This palindrome checks the substring left to right a palindrome by moving 2 pointers forward. Okay, so I gave this to Grok. The lead code solution, given a string consisting of return true, the string can be a palindrome after removing at most one character from it, otherwise return false. The code you provided. Right plus plus. Try left is try right. Plus plus right plus plus. Else. Try skipping either left or right. How solution works. 2 pointer approach. We use 2 pointers starting at the beginning and right at left starting at the beginning and right at the end. While the characters at the left and right match, we move both pointers with result minus minus. This is a standard way to check if a string is a palindrome. When a mismatch occurs, if S left does not go, we are not allowed to continue normally. Since we can remove at most one character, we have two options. Skip the character at the left, pretend we removed it, check if the remaining part from left plus 1 to right is a palindrome, skip the character at the right, pretend we removed it, check if the remaining part from left to right minus 1 is a palindrome. We return true if either of those two subproblems result in a palindrome. Left, left and right, left and right, so on the right, left, right minus 1. Function helper left right. This is a clean helper that checks whether the substring from index left to right inclusive is a palindrome. To right inclusive is a palindrome. Left plus 1, right, left right minus 1, so on right minus 1, so to right minus 1, minus 1. It uses the same two-pointer technique. It uses post increment decrement inside the condition, which is efficient if no mismatch is ever found. The string is already a palindrome, return false true. So basically this checks if the string, so let's say we got ABC. So first L is gonna be A and R is gonna be C, and so L does not equal R, and it's gonna come into um it's gonna come into L L equals 1 and 0 1 2 2. So this is gonna return false, and then the other one is gonna be L equals 0 and R equals 1, and so S at left plus plus. This is also gonna return false. The algorithm branches to possible. The algorithm only branches into two possibilities once when the first mismatch is found. After that, the helper functions run in all event time with no further branching. Okay, let's see the visual work. SABA left 0, A, right 2, A, match, left 1, right 1. Left equals right to loop ends. Because the loop ends return true. ABC. Left 0, A, right 3, match. Left 1, B, right 2, C, mismatch. Skip left, check. Uh, skip left, check this palindrome 2, 2. So 2, 2, which is 0, 1, 2. This and this. See true, skip right, check palindrome 101. 0 1 and 1. This is true. So return true. You can remove either B or C to make A C or A B A. Left 0 right C mismatch. Skip left. Check B C 4. So this is gonna be 1 and 2, which is B and C. And this is gonna be 2 and no, wait. It's gonna be 0 and 1. Yeah, 0 and 1, which is this, and return false. The code is greedy and says it continues matching as long as possible. It only allows one removal because after the mismatch, it never allows another mismatch in the helper functions. Very clear implementation, no need for recursion or dynamic programming. No need for recursion. So this makes only one check. Why? So, great question. Let's understand exactly what this provisional helper does and why it only makes one check when a mismatch happens in the main function. The helper function does not check the entire string from index 0 to n minus 1. It only checks the remaining substring between the current left and right after the first mismatch has already been found in the main loop. Let's break it down clearly. This is a standard to pointer palindrome check, but it starts from whatever left and right you pass to it. Why only one check feels confusing? Actually, it does not make only one check. While left less than right, the loop will keep running and comparing characters until left and right meet or cross. It can make many comparisons up to O in a worst case, but there's a crucial part. When is the helper called? It is called only once or twice in the OR expression, and only after the main loop has already matched our large prefix, and suffix. Example is equal ABCA main loop 0A right 3 0 1 2 3 A. Good, move to left 1 right 2 left B right C mismatch. Now it caused left plus 1, which is 2 and 2, so you want to C. So right plus right left right minus 1. So 1 and 1. That's what happens each call is 2 to left 2 right 2. Or left 2 less than 2 loop. False loop doesn't run at all. Immediately returns true. Same thing, left equals right. Loop doesn't run, it returns true. So in this case, zero comparisons happen inside the helper. Another example, longer one. Matches C to P, no mismatch left 1, right left 1 U, right 6 U, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Should left 1 2, wait, let's simulate properly. Better example, red car. Main loop matches are RAA. DK, the mismatch deals is K, so when mismatch happens, left is pointing at D, right at K. 0 1 2, so 0 1 2, so 3 0 1 2 3 and 3 is palindrome left and skip D, check from K to K. Wait, let's take a real case. Real example, bro. Real example, ABC, DCB, already palindrome, no helper. Better is ABCD, EBA matches AA, BB, then CE, mismatch at the left 2 and right 4, 1 2, 0 1 2 3 4. So first is gonna be 3 and 4. 0 1 2 3 and 4. Yes, this is gonna be 3 and 4. Yeah, check the mismatch false, and then it's gonna be 0 1 2 3 and 3, 2 and 3, 2 and 3, 0 1 2. Oh yeah, 0 1 2 and 0 1 2 3. C and D false. Left 12 3. Okay, that's not. So it did it in one comparison. Well, it looks like only one check. By the time we reach the mismatch in the main loop, most of the string has already been verified as matching from both ends. The helper only needs to clarify to verify the small remaining node part after we skip the one character in many cases when the mismatch is near the center. The remaining range is very small, so the helper does very few or zero comparison. That's what I hope. Okay. Alright, y'all. That's gonna be for today. That's like 20 minutes. That's gonna be for today, y'all. Enjoy your week. Enjoy your Saturday. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me. All links in the description. And I'll see you all tomorrow, bro. Bro.